let's talk about how can we, as introverts, if we're in business for ourselves, which is what you're in, if you have a practice, right? You're in a business. And if you need to get clients, which you do because there are people out there waiting for you who need your help. They're waiting. They're waiting in pain. They're waiting for you to come and solve that pain. So we have to put ourselves out there. This is how it became a compulsion for me, was when I started realizing every time I helped a person and changed that person's life, they went from being in pain to living the life that they wanted to. And I started thinking about all of the people out there who were still in pain. And that in a sense, it's my fault they're still in pain if I don't get out there and help them, because I have the ability to help them. So if I'm not out there helping as many people as I can help, it's my fault in a way that they're still in pain, right? So this became a compulsion for me, not only for the personal gratification, not only for the money, but also for the fact that I almost see it as a responsibility to help. I love to help people. I'm compelled to help people, right? So if we're going to do that, we have to start connecting with other people. Hey, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Every single day, I'm posting great content related to business, sales, and marketing so that you can ethically influence and persuade people to say yes to you more often. And if you want to get notification every time I publish a video, hit that bell button and keep your eye out for the next video.